Am I the only one that when I get a new battery or something like that, that I like to take the battery somewhere less visible? I might put my initials, and I like to put like some type of date, not necessarily a year, but like a month and a year. That way, if I ever have a failure, which I've got one dead Milwaukee battery right now, and that thing is at least like 10 years old, maybe a little less. I would say I got that pretty close to being married, so I'd say that battery is for an original gen. You can see here for one of my like original gen ones, and bad, but still thinks it's good. But as soon as you put something on it for a longer amp draw, or higher amps I guess I should say, it starts freaking out. But it'll run a flashlight for a few minutes, it'll run a drill in a pinch, so I can't throw it out. Plus you can harvest the 18650s out of this. But new battery came with the backpack sprayer. I like to put a little something on there like a date, my initials. I've got a nice new one. It'll go over into the batch. It's charged. I'm gonna throw it in here and give this thing a try. Have a good one.